what we are doing is going off of what we did yesterday, and on yesterday's we started with the C chord, so we brought this down into here, and then we remembered that this is our pattern: root, whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. So we started here. This is our root. That's a half. Two halves make a whole, so that's root, whole. And then we went up a half and then a whole. Then we had to jump one half. So root, whole, whole, half. Now we have to do 3 wholes and a half. So we got to go whole, 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 half. So then if we played that out, this should be our chord. Or our scale, C scale. And this is C major scale. Back down. Okay, so then we did the F, and then we did the G, and then we did the E and the A and the D. So tonight, the B, C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp. And we'll also talk about their flat names. Okay, so the first one is the B. Where is the B? The B in the alphabet comes right before the letter, you got it, C. So here's the C, here's the B. So now we have to go the same thing: root, whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. And remember, 2 half steps makes a whole step. So root, whole, right? Whole, half. Then boom, boom, whole, boom, boom, whole, boom, boom, whole, and then a half. So let's see if this sounds like a B major chord. Starts on B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, and B, back down. Cool? That sounds like a B major chord. All right, so we've got the B done. Next one we're going to go to is the C sharp. Okay, remember C sharp is bigger than C, so it's up here. That's our root. Our root is C sharp. So now we got to go whole, whole, half. So remember, a whole is 2, so we go 1, 2. Now another whole, this is a half, plus a half is a whole. So we went root, whole, whole. Now we have to go half. And then it's whole, boom, boom, whole, boom, boom, whole, boom, boom, and a half. This is our C sharp scale. Another name for C sharp, it's bigger than C. It's also smaller than, you got it, D. So C sharp is the same as D flat. So you can call this a C sharp scale. You can call this a D flat scale. But it sounds like this. Can you see that? That's our starting spot. Goes root, whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half, and back down. All right, cool. Let's go up to the D sharp. This is the D sharp scale. Another name for the D sharp is the E flat, D sharp, E flat. Okay, so let's go here, and we're going to say this is our root, so we have to go whole, whole, half. So here is boom, whole, whole, half. Now we have to go whole, 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 half. So we start here and we go whole, 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 half. This is the major key. All right, let's go the D sharp scale. D sharp is also an E flat. D sharp, E flat. Sounds like this. that's your D sharp. 3 more. Let's go F sharp. F sharp is bigger than F. It's also smaller than G. Here's F sharp right here. Here's F sharp. So that makes it F sharp scale, or you got it, G flat scale. But we do the same thing. Root, whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. So we go root, whole, boom, boom, whole, half, whole, 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 half. Sounds like this. No, it doesn't. Now we're coming down from that F sharp. Now you hear I do those chords at the end. When we're done with this, I'm going to show you how to make chords out of any scale. It's pretty cool. All right, we got 2 more to do. We've got G sharp and we've got A sharp. Let's go to G sharp. This is G sharp. It's bigger than G. It's smaller than A. So if it's bigger than G, it's a G sharp. What's the name if it's smaller than A? Yep, that's an A flat. So we start here. This is our root. Let's go whole, boom, boom, whole, boom, boom, half, boom. Now we have to do 3 wholes, boom, 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 and a half, boom. Sounds like this. Back down. All right, we've got 1 left to do. It's going to be right here. What is this one? That's an A. It's bigger than A and it's smaller than B, right? So that's an A sharp or a B flat. All right, here we go. Root, boom, boom, whole, boom, boom, whole, half, boom, boom, whole, boom, boom, whole, boom, boom, whole, half. We just made an A sharp scale or a B flat scale. Sounds like this. And back down from that B flat or A sharp. Isn't that cool? All right, I am done with you. So I will smell you later.